Thank you so much, Master Brian. Salamat kayo sa favor. Judges, wala na nilabot sa choreography. Gusto lang ko ma-propose sa akong pinakalab na ako sa tibok na akong kabuhi. Pwede na ako. Mang, asa na ka? Pwede ka mo sa kadre, ha? Asa na? Queenie. Nga na ba, Dre, ha? Dahil salamat. Amang, sa 12 years na itong pag-uban, naman tagi blessingan sa atong religion, katong nga performance is para gito sa imo, ha. Mang, bisan pag Tom and Jerry atong pag-uban, pero di rin ako ipakita sa imo nga love you kay taga. Mang, this is my first and last question. Will you marry me?
Is the number that comes to my head.
Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Ventura!
And you know one of these days, when I get my money right, buy you everything and show you all the finer things in life. We'll forever be in
Thank you so much.
There ain't no need to rush. But one day I won't be able to ask you loud enough. I'll say
Salamat, Master Brian. Sir, thank you so much. Thank you, man.
Ayan, please don't leave the stage. Picture muna. Brian, Joey, picture muna, picture. Joey, come up. Ayan, picture muna, Brian. Picture muna, picture. Ayan. Ayan. One more. With Brian, with Master Brian. Ayan.
105 is the number
Let's go.
that
Akitan
comes to
ka.
my head. When I think of all the years I wanna be with you. Wake up
Ayan, once
every
again,
morning with
palakpakan naman natin, soon to be Mr. and Mrs. Ventura! Oh, ayan, nandito din yung baby nila. Ayan. Once again, everyone, palakpakan naman natin. Grabe naman yun. Lahat tayo nagulat. Whatever happens, parang may nanalo na. Alright, picture tayo. And the family, kayo munang tatlo. Sir Brian, excuse me, one more. Picture muna kayo. Ayan. Okay na. Okay, picture muna. Go. One more photo shoot.
105 is the number that comes to my head. When I think of all the years I wanna be with you.
Alright, once again, congratulations sa ating... Grabe naman yun, nabigla tayong lahat. Guys, balik tayo.